welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a farmhouse wall clock. This has taken me months and months and months to do. And thankfully Stencil Revolution helped me out again. They sent me this 20 by 20 stencil for a wall clock and I am so grateful for it. So I was actually able to get this done. And hi honey.
Hi.
Hi, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Thought I could do an intro without her coming in, but it didn't work, but that's okay. So yeah, so they sent me this 20 by 20 stencil, and these are only $23.99, which I think is a really great deal. So I will leave their links in the description box below if you do want to check out Stencil Revolution.
Alright, so what you'll need for this DIY is a piece of board like this. I will try to find it and leave the link in the description box below, but my husband picked it up in Menards. It is a 2x2, and he just cut it to make it a round circle for me. And then I picked up this clock equipment, is what we'll call it. I picked that up from eBay, and I will leave that link as well. And then I'm just going to take the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm just going to paint this entire board. So like I said, this is a 2x2, so it's 2 foot by 2 foot. So if you didn't know that, which I'm assuming you did, but just in case you didn't. And like I said, my husband did cut this with a circular saw, possibly. I'm not like super good with that. I just know that he did do that for me. And if you don't have somebody do that for you, or you can't do it on your own, I did see some little circle, big, giant boards like this that you can purchase from Lowe's and Menards, or wherever your Home Depot. And I will leave that link too. So if you do want to make something like that, I did see they were really pricey. And this board was only $2. So anyways, so once the board was painted white, I did take a Sharpie and a straight edge, and then I just wanted to make this look like it was a shiplap. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I thought that turned out absolutely amazing. And then I'm just taking this gel dark wax in Antique by Waverly as well, and I'm just kind of dry brushing it along. It dried super fast because I barely put any on it, and then I thought this kind of gave it a little distressed look. I absolutely love this. I had a nice inspiration from Bed Bath & Beyond. I will show that clip as well. But I loved the clock that they had there, and it was $40 for an 18-inch, so it wasn't even this large. So I was really excited I was able to make this larger, and then for less than the price they were asking for it. And I did use this clock stencil. Stencil Revolution was kind enough to send me another stencil. I absolutely love this company so much. I love their stencils. It's such a good quality, and I will also leave their link in the description box below if you do want to check out their stencils. But anyways, I just took a pencil and I am just tracing everything. I think that is the easiest way, so if you do mess up, you can just erase it. And then I did notice that this stencil is a 20 by 20, and it was way too small for the board. So I did end up cutting the board in the end, but I just ended up taking a Sharpie and tracing around everything. You could always use paint, but this just made it way easier for me without getting paint and messing anything up. So yeah, I did have to redo a little bit of this just because I did have my husband cut around my edges again, just so the stencil would fit into the clock. So this ended up being a 21 by 21 clock, so just under 2 foot. And then once all the painting was done and all the coloring was done, I just took my little clock hands and I just placed them in here. Like I said, I purchased this from eBay. This was only $5, so I thought that was a really good deal. And then you just put a AA battery in the back to make the little hands work. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I absolutely love being able to make something homemade like this. And I honestly think it looks like something that you could just purchase from a store, like tooting my own horn, I suppose, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this. But if you guys liked it, like I said, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!